Today we're going to talk about fiction versus nonfiction. Fiction. Fiction can be defined as literature in the form of prose, especially short stories and novels, that describes imaginary events and people. These stories are not based on real-life events or characters. Some examples of fiction are mysteries, fantasy tales, historical dramas, and romances. Novels are a great example of fictional prose. Some examples of fiction are To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee, The Great Gatsby by F. Scott Fitzgerald, the Harry Potter series by J.K. Rowling, the Hunger Games series by Suzanne Collins. Nonfiction. Nonfiction can be defined as prose writing that is based on facts, real events, and real people. Some examples of nonfiction are memoirs, biographies, historical works, and current events. Some examples of nonfiction are The Diary of a Young Girl by Anne Frank, Night by Elie Wiesel, and I Am Malala, the story of the girl who stood up for education and was shot by the Taliban. How to remember the difference. You can remember the difference between fiction and nonfiction because fiction and false start with the same letter F, and nonfiction and not false start with the same letter N.